Hi guys, I'm here right now at Rumah Highlands Hotel because they're launching the Detox Bar here, and you know what, there's only a few vegetarian restaurants, vegan restaurants in Cebu, and this one is something that you should go to if you're into that lifestyle. Check this video out.
Passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
So guys, look at my lovely place, so colorful. A lot of fruits, a lot of veggies, even the pizza here is vegetarian. We have wraps, rolls, pasta, and a lot of fruits and veggies, and this is like kamote. Very good. Sweet potatoes again, yeah. We have vegetarian pizza. Really tastes good, even without the meat. Of course, like the sushi rolls with a, but it's like meatless, it's a vegetable roll. Sweet, crunchy, of course, the familiar texture of the sushi rolls, sashimi, like the maki. And also, yeah, of course, the pasta, like pesto pasta. And also another variant of the pizza is mushrooms with other kinds of mushrooms with bonito flakes on it. So it's like Japanese inspired still. Very healthy. I like it. It's not really hard to remove meat in your diet, but it's a challenge though because we're used to eat every day. But vegan food actually tastes great, and yeah, if you want to have a lifestyle change, try this restaurant out so that you can at least see the options they can actually do. They will actually help you if you want to make a lifestyle change. They can train you, teach you what to make, like how to make a smoothie using bananas, spinach, or malunggay, or even beetroot. So I really enjoyed it here, and yeah, if you want to try it out, come to Rumah Hotel, go to the Detox Bar, eat their food, drink their drinks, and pretty sure you'll have a different view now of how vegetarian or vegan food will taste like. Here at Detox Bar, they have several variants of really nice drinks, healthy drinks. This one is called the Fat Flush drink. So this is turmeric, lemon, pomelo, cucumber, black pepper, calamansi, and honey. So I'm gonna try it out. It's good. I mean, it tastes bitter, acidic, sweet, the honey, but it's not really that hard drink. And also, this one's really is full of anti-inflammatory, anti-infective, antioxidant, lip system cleanser, and natural laxative that will help you lose weight. And here at Detox Bar, we have 7 other variants with different other benefits and fruits and vegetables used. So I'm pretty sure you can find one for your needs. So check them out and try out their drinks. And it goes so well with your food, by the way. I'm gonna ask my friends what food and drink did they like here at Detox Bar.
Oh, I like the pizza.
Oh, which pizza?
I thought
The mushroom
it has
pizza?
underwear. Yeah, the mushroom pizza. I thought
Yeah.
it has like fish in it, but wala naman daw.
I thought it's a bonito flake, guys.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay.
I like the pasta and the sweet potato fries.
Yeah, nice.
I like the garden pesto pizza. Fresh to pizza. I think that's what it's
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you want your restaurant, favorite restaurant to be featured, just message us, make a comment. And yeah, see you on my next food adventures. Bye.